Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get YouTube video summary on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Samsung integration with Google Gemini AI allows you to get quick summaries of YouTube videos. So instead of watching the whole video, you can basically get a small breakdown of all the key points. So let me show you how to do this. So here I'll go ahead and open up Samsung Internet, and I'll go ahead and open up a video which I've created. So your Samsung can do this, 7 features you never knew. So now, as you can see, this video is about 14 minutes and 49 seconds. Now I don't want to go ahead and watch all this. I want to go ahead and let someone tell me what this is all about. So I can go ahead and use the share feature. I can go ahead and use the copy feature. So I'll copy the URL. Now I can go ahead and press home, open Gemini. Now I can go ahead and ask Gemini, what is this video about? So give me a summary of this video, and then I'll go ahead and paste the link. And now, as you can see, this will give me a summary of that video. So I don't need to go ahead and watch this video. I can go ahead and see that it's telling me how to customize the lock screen, enabling voice focus, scheduling text messages, turning on RCS, opening messages in pop-up view, setting live TikTok videos in as wallpapers, and creating custom animated wallpapers. So this is a massive time saver, so it's perfect for research, productivity, or when you want to decide if a video is worth watching in full. So it helps you stay informed without wasting your time. So there you go, guys. That is how to get YouTube video summaries with Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.